Knauf Insulation's become one of the leading companies in the world through the scale of the factories and an intensive research and development program that's created benefits in manufacture of the product.
The main and most noticeable difference with earthwool is that it's brown, it's softer, and doesn't come with the chemical smells associated with most glasswool products.
This is primarily due to ECOS technology that takes formaldehyde out of the product, and that combined with the compression technology that we have means that we can ship product around the world cost competitively, but also with environmental benefits that local factories do not have.
Industry as a whole is actively seeking products with higher levels of sustainability.
The product is manufactured from rapidly renewable resources, ECOS technology, 80% post-consumer glass, and are supported by environmental product declarations.
This greatly enhances the sustainability and even the safety of Knauf insulation materials. When selecting insulation, the main performance attributes considered are thermal, acoustic, and now more importantly than ever, fire performance.
Knauf insulation products are also non-combustible and tested to 1530 Part 1. We hold code mark certification, brands appraisal, green tag, and USEB certification.
Knauf Insulation is the only glasswool insulation in Australia to achieve Global Green Tag Level A, making it the ideal solution for achieving optimal points for green building rating programs. For all general and technical inquiries, contact Knauf Insulation.